Hello, I'm Dr. Chonta Haynes with Heart Truth Ministries, and this is your truth for the week. In 5 minutes or less, I'm going to help you get application to go with the message that we just had. Today, how to withstand the heat. How to withstand the heat. You know, we always have situations and circumstances that come up in our lives that, we need to pray about it. But we know that God is going to be there. And we're just like those Hebrew boys sometimes, figure out that we are in the midst of a heated situation, fiery furnace. How do you withstand the heat? Number one, you're going to rise above it. That means that you're going to pray. You don't deal with the snake on the ground. If you are soaring like an eagle, you take him up in the air in your area. So you're doing spiritual warfare. And part of it is praying without ceasing, praying adequately. Know that the weapons that are formed against you will not prosper. And every tongue that comes up against you in judgment, God will show to be in the wrong. So spiritual warfare, pray, and pray again. Ask God, communicate with him, and rise above the situation. Number two, realize his presence. Oh, he said he would never leave you, so worship. When the enemy is attacking, worship God. It changes your whole attitude, your whole mindset. Read the word, find out about his promises, find out what he's done before in the past. And remember what he's also done for you. Those answered prayers already, you can go back. Those memorial stones that you set up, you can go back. That's going to help you recognize that God's presence is right there with you. Third thing is you're going to rationalize his character. What do I mean by that? Know his goodness, know his mercy, know his faithfulness is all right there with you. So when you're in the midst of the heat of a battle, in the midst of a fiery furnace, when you're in the middle and you really want to withstand the heat, you got to be suited up, rise above with your prayer because you got on your full armor. You need to realize his presence, know that you're not fighting alone, that the other armies are with you, his army, and then you got to rationalize his character. The God that I serve is more than able. I'm Dr. Chonta Haynes with your truth for the week, helping you put feet to your faith so that you can walk victoriously. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Hi, thanks for listening and watching. And if you enjoyed what you've seen, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And hit that notification button so you'll know the next time there's a new episode. Listen, as a result of my coaching program, my clients have experienced a calming of the emotional roller coaster. They have a compelling future, as well as a confidence in the know-how to achieve it. And they have clarity on the financial tools that they need in order to live life on their terms and save tens of thousands of dollars. I'm looking for women who are devastated by the double Ds, divorce or death, who want to gain confidence to live life on their terms with peace and financial security. My question is, who do you know? Have them go ahead and book a call with me so that we can get to that compelling future. My heart may be broke, but your bank account doesn't have to be. You can find us online at htruth.org. At Heart Truth Ministries, we're helping believers live an abundant life based on God's Word, standing on His promises, walking out His principles, sharing with God's people, serving as unto the Lord.